Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Tip Secrets. Kanagari kutanka kukuya nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kama chungwa garoga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas Mure Zimbabwe takigira inyari kupisa nyari kunetsa. Nyaya yabuditswa the Zimbabwe Defense Forces yabuda distance from retired group captain va Bonkes Mwakorera. Mushure mekunye pakabuda reports kuti vakasungwa ku University of Zimbabwe apa vaistage a protest over salaries and working conditions epa UZ harunze asisina kumira mushe. Reports akabuda pekutanga akataura iwo achiti Mwakorera along with Professor Obvious Vengei religious studies na Dr. Desmond Ndedzuve economics hanzi vakasungwa mushure mekunge vakastage a protest on campus. Nyaya yakabuda pachidescribe Mwakorera as a serving member of the Air Force of Zimbabwe and the chair of Department of Computer Science and Software Engineering at the University of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe Hazvina Mushe military yabuda chitaura pamusoro penyaya iyoyi vachizvidistansa from association na Mwakorera. Mushure mekunge pakabuda pachinzi this protest iri kuinfluenced nemasoja vakabuda vachitaura ivo the ZDF vachiti Mwakorera is retired and retire from Air Force mugore ra 2021. Hazvina Mushe Zimbabwe ZDF yakabuda checks some concerns over Mwakorera that described on the media vachipa warning to such misrepresentation chinhu inokwanisa kukonzeresa harm ku public. The public inogona kufunga kuti the masoja ari behind them Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa neIRR chitaura ivo vachiti the Zimbabwe Defense Forces has distanced itself from retired group captain Bonkes Mwakorera following reports that he was arrested at the University of Zimbabwe while protesting over salaries and working conditions. Initial reports claimed that Mwakorera, along with Professor Obvious Vengei religious studies and Desmond Ndedzu economics, was taken into custody after staging a protest on campus. The reports described Mwakorera as a serving member of the Air Force of Zimbabwe and chair of the Department of Computer Science and Software Engineering at the Zimbabwe National University. But the military has now stepped in to clarify. In a statement, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces said Mwakorera is no longer in active service, having retired from the Air Force in May 2021. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces has noted with concern the stories published online and circulated on various social media platforms that inaccurately report that Group Captain retired Bonkes Mwakorera is serving in the Air Force of Zimbabwe, AFZ. The officer served in the AFZ and retired on 31 May 2021 in the rank of Group Captain. Part of the statement reads, ZDF expressed concern over the way Mwakorera was described in the media, warning that such misrepresentation could mislead the public. In such instances, it is prudent to accurately capture that he is a retired group captain. Failure to correctly capture such details has the potential to mislead the public that the actions by individual are associated with the ZDF. The statement further reads, in closing, the ZDF made it clear that it does not support or endorse Mwakorera's actions, stressing its commitment to professionalism and national duty. In the particular case on the arrest of Group Captain retired Mwakorera at the University of Zimbabwe, it should be categorically known that the ZDF is not associated with these actions. The ZDF is a disciplined force dedicated to protecting Zimbabwe, its people, its national security and interests, and territorial integrity, as enshrined in Constitution of Zimbabwe, the statement concluded. Ndo mabuditsiro wakati kwa nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe tikaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya yekuti even vanhu vamuarmy vanga vari muarmy retired generals akutowanikwawo vachiprotesta nekuda kwekuoma kwaita nyika muri Zimbabwe. Zvisina kumira mushe ndofunga vanhu vari kuchema nemari dzavari kupiwa kumabasa muri Zimbabwe. Zvinobira mushe nezuro ndofunga polisi yakasvika pakutoplasha on maUZ lecturers muri Zimbabwe vakawanikwa vachimasunga vachitya this demonstration. and for news day kabuda chitaura about clash mapurisa aya machitaura iwo machiti police heavy-handedness was on display once again when they crashed a demonstration by University of Zimbabwe lecturers and arrested their leaders on Wednesday morning. The arrested Association of University Teachers leaders are Bonkes Mwakorera, Obvious Vengei and Desmond Ndezu, who were taken to Avondale police station. A small group of brave lecturers had picked at their workplace, demanding a salary review from university authority. The university educators who fall under AUT are demanding that their salaries be raised to the pre-October 2018 level when a junior lecturer was earning 2,500. The arrest came even after AUT leaders have sought police and university authorities permission to go on strike. AUT legal advisor Mnangagwa Hazvina said the police insisted that the picketing was unlawful. In terms of the law, it is clear that the labor law allows registered trade unions to authorize a picket as long as the strike is lawful, and this is exactly what happened, Hazvina said. It is a registered union and it authorizes a picket, and the university was advised and they refused to have the picket in their premises, hence it was done outside. The police, complicit with university authorities, want to surpass a lawful and constitutional strike. This is the second time in as many weeks that the lecturers called for a strike after the first attempt was stopped by the parent ministry. After the setback, the AUT leaders had to go to the drawing board to re-strategize, leading to their suspension and subsequent clashes with police. A lecturer who refused to be identified for fear of victimization said what irked the lecturers the most was that Higher and Tertiary Education Minister Frederick Shaw came to the institution of higher learning and promised them regional salaries. The Higher and Tertiary Education Minister Frederick Shaw came to use it after hearing through outspoken veteran Blessed Geza's press conference that lecturers are earning the salary of garden boys. The lecturer said, "That's when the minister promised to pay us salaries equivalent to our regional peers." Another leader said the salary he was earning had reduced his dignity in society. He said, "Imagine to go to work. I need 250 for fuel, which is my salary. So what do I eat? Feed my family with? Yet I have 3 degrees plus more than 40 publications. UZ lecturers are earning $300 and a Z component not exceeding 200 when converted. Yet a professor used to earn 5,000. UZ Vice Chancellor Paul Mapumo could not be reached for comment." Mabude chaitwa nyaya muri Zimbabwe. Ndisinaziye kuti munaiona sei nyaya iyi tiudziwe zvamunofunga mu comment section.